In this video, I'm going to show you an easy rock painting tutorial for beginners' hearts, part 1. If you're returning to my channel, welcome back. It's always a pleasure. If you're new to my channel, hi. This is George on the Rocks, where I share ideas, tips, and suggestions on how you may explore the art of rock painting. If you want to receive future rock painting videos, hit the subscription button and the bell notification so you won't miss out. The first step in doing this rock painting is to lay out your design. The next step is to write out your sentiment. In this case, I'm using "love grows," but you can use whatever words you want. Paint in a base layer of titanium white. We do this because we want the subsequent colors that we paint onto them to be more vibrant and alive. Remember to paint in 2 layers of titanium white. That way, the white is more opaque. Print out your sentiment using a Posca pen. Paintings are always evolving. In this case, I needed to rework the lettering so that they were more evenly spaced. Using a mixture of teal and lime green, paint in the horizon line. What you want to do is a little bit of paint and then some water so that it flows out and is more of a wash. Again, using a combination of teal and green, we're going to work on painting in the leaves. Using a darker version of this color, apply the paint to the inside of the leaf. Then, using almost all lime green, begin at the tip of the leaf and blend into the turquoise or teal color. Blend the lime green into the teal so that there's more of a transition. Paint in the hearts. I begin by loosely mixing in some burnt umber with primary red. Then, using just primary red, paint in the remainder of the heart. Apply the same application to the smaller hearts. Using just primary red, paint in a second layer of the red. Using a small mixture of titanium white and primary red, paint in a highlight. Blend a little bit of the primary red into the highlight, but don't cover it completely. And if you painted too much of the red into the highlight, you can add another highlight back into it. You want to add a little bit of highlight and shadow into the smaller hearts as well. Paint a thin line of gold around the outside of the heart flower. You can either paint it in, or if you have a gold pen, you can use that as well. If you do decide to use a gold pen, make sure that the gold pen is water-based and not oil-based. Next, paint the gold line around the leaves themselves. And don't forget the stem. I like to paint a border around the back of the stone. That way it ties everything together. But if you want to skip this, it's fine. Remember, this is your stone. I'm only laying out suggestions. You can do however way you want. As you can tell from the back of the stone, this was a kindness rock. I'll put information into where it went in the next video. This was part 1. In part 2, we'll be enhancing your rock painting by adding details. Follow this link to the background painting. Thanks for visiting, and see you next time. Remember to be kind to yourself, kind to others, and listen to your creative voice.